All right, and welcome back. If you're listening right now, thank you for being here. This is English Talk Hub. I'm Arthur, and Lily is here with me.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing okay today. This episode feels a little different.
Yep, it does. Today we're not talking about something big. No life lessons, no heavy advice, just real life.
The small things, the things we carry quietly.
Exactly, so let's start slow. Let me ask you something. What do we mean when we say small problems?
Well, they're not emergencies.
Right. They don't stop your day, but they stay with you.
Like a thought you can't fully let go of.
Exactly, being late, forgetting something, feeling tired for no clear reason.
Nothing dramatic, but still uncomfortable.
And those are the problems we're talking about today.
For me, a lot of small worries start in the morning.
Same here, before the day even begins.
You wake up and your mind starts moving
Thinking about time, about plans.
about things you might forget.
Sometimes nothing is wrong, but your mind doesn't know that.
That's such a real feeling.
Let's talk about work for a moment. Not the job itself, but the pressure.
Deadlines, messages.
Small tasks that suddenly feel heavy.
Especially when you're tired.
Sometimes I stop and think, why does this feel so stressful?
And the answer is usually simple.
You're human.
Can we talk about overthinking?
Oh, definitely.
It often starts very small,
A short message, a quiet reply.
and suddenly your mind creates stories.
Most of them aren't even true.
But they feel real.
Small problems don't stay in the mind only.
They show up in the body too.
Tight shoulders, shallow breathing.
Sometimes a heavy feeling in the chest.
You don't always notice until you slow down.
In English, you don't need long sentences.
You can say, I'm a bit stressed today.
Or, I have a lot on my mind.
Very normal, very human. Let me ask you something, and take your time with this. When was the last moment you felt calm?
Not excited, not busy, just calm.
You don't need to answer out loud. Just notice what comes to mind.
Small problems don't mean you're failing.
They mean you're living.
Trying, learning.
Some days feel heavy, some days feel light.
Both are normal.
If today feels heavy, that's okay.
You don't have to fix everything today.
Just noticing is enough.
Thank you for being here with us.
This was episode 4 of English Talk Hub.
We'll talk again soon.
Until then,
Take it easy.